Math reviewer number 2. So simplify this or solve this. 22 plus 8 times quantity 4 plus 6 minus 9. So it's about PEMDAS or order of operation. So we have PEMDAS. PEMDAS. So multiplication and division is from left to right, and also addition and subtraction from left to right. So we'll start with P parentheses. So we have to evaluate this, the operations inside the parentheses. So just copy the rest. So we have 22 plus 8 times 4 plus 6. So that is equal to 10. So there's no need to put that in parentheses. Minus 9. And then we have MDAS from left to right. So evaluate first the multiplication. So we have 22 plus 8 times 10. That is equal to 80 minus 9. And then addition and subtraction from left to right. So we have 22 plus 80. That is equal to 102 minus 9. So the final answer is 102 minus 9. That is equal to 93. Follow for more.